An adolescent with shortness of breath and audible wheezing. A 14-year-old male presented with complaints of shortness of breath, wheezing, and recurrent coughing. He has a history of asthma, and his caregivers reported that over the past year, these episodes have worsened and significantly impacted his daily activities and academic performance. The caregivers mentioned relocating to a new city for better healthcare facilities. The patient's asthma had previously been managed with moderate doses of inhaled corticosteroids. However, his symptoms have recently worsened, proving unresponsive to corticosteroid treatment alone. There is no recent history of fever, infection, or trauma. On physical examination, a respiratory rate of 30 breaths per minute, tachypnea, and wheezing upon auscultation was noted. No notable findings were observed on the skin or extremities. What is the primary cause of this patient's presentation? A. Allergic rhinitis. B. Bronchiolitis. C. Acute asthma exacerbation. D. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Click on the link in the description below to learn more about this condition. We publish weekly cases that are challenging and engaging. Follow us so you don't miss out.